This video will walk you through XOi's API integration with DataBasics. We'll begin by setting up a new service order in SAMPro and then transition to the Tech Anywhere mobile app. The technician will select a new work order in Tech Anywhere, acknowledge it, and then confirm if they would like to create an XOi Vision job. The integration links Tech Anywhere equipment to XOi. Any existing equipment on a work order will appear as a suggested tag in the XOi Vision app. This is useful for writing information from the equipment data plate back to Tech Anywhere and SAMPro, which you'll see shortly. Back on the work order, we'll launch XOi on the top right and begin our work. You'll see under the Tags section, there are blue suggested tags that relate to the Tech Anywhere equipment. We'll start by selecting a workflow and capturing a data plate. Afterwards, the tech can add a suggested equipment tag like WIF to tie it to the data plate image. Next, we'll record a short video as if we're summarizing an initial diagnosis. If the job step has video transcriptions turned on, whatever the tech says on video will be transcribed and sent back to DataBasics SAMPro software. We'll also record another video of work performed in order to meet the requirements of this XOi workflow. Again, with transcriptions turned on, the dialog here will be sent back to SAMPro for back office use. Let's complete the XOi job to begin processing the data plate OCR and video transcripts, head back to Tech Anywhere, and take a quick look at SAMPro to show what is updated. In SAMPro, a new XOi Vision button exists. Clicking on this will pop open a window with the public-facing content that your customers see. We can also open the Notes tab to view XOi transcripts from the workflow videos. Each transcript will be its own note. Under the equipment, make, model, and serial captured from data plates in XOi will appear here. Another important integration point is the XOi link populating on the receipt that's generated. Clicking the hyperlink will direct your customers to the publicly shared content. XOi Vision is also integrated to the Tech Anywhere quote module. When a quote option is added, we can now create a linked XOi job. Just fill in the required fields, click Create XOi Job, and then open the XOi job. Under the Tags section, you'll see that the quote ID plus quote option is passed through to XOi as a new tag. On this particular job, the tech should select an appropriate quote-related workflow and add content. Then they'll complete the job and jump back to Tech Anywhere. The tech will submit the quote and go through their usual steps to complete the overall work order. The quote workflow content will also be added to the share link associated with the work order. Back in SAMPRO, under the Quotes tab, the XOi Vision button directs you to the share link for the quote workflow. Now let's look at the remaining deep link features of the integration. On the work order summary page, scroll down and tap XOi History to bring up a location search in XOi Vision. This shows all of the past work captured in Vision at this location. Click Equipment Service, choose a piece of equipment, and scroll down to see a link to XOi Knowledge Base and XOi Asset History. Tapping XOi Knowledge Base will bring you into the Vision app and will show you documents related to the make and model of this piece of equipment. Tapping XOi Asset in the History section will open the Vision app to a job activity search for this unit's serial number, showing all the jobs in which that unit was captured. Thank you for reviewing our API integration overview with DataBasics.